Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about conditional statements. So what are conditional statements? Conditional statements allow the program to make decisions in the form of if-else statements. To demonstrate, let me use an example to check if a number is positive or negative. Let me first illustrate this using a flow chart. Let's say we have a number and we want to check if it's positive or negative. And how do we do that? We simply have to check if it's greater than or equals to 0. If it is greater than or equals to 0, the number is positive. And if it's not greater than or equals to 0, number is negative. So this is the flowchart representation of the if-else statement. Moving back to the code, this is our syntax for the if-else statement. The if keyword followed by the condition, which in this case is number greater than or equals to 0. If the number is greater than or equals to 0, we print positive. Else, we print negative. So, when we run this, if the number is positive, it should print positive, and if it's -1, it should print negative. Moving on to example 2, we have grade checker. In this case, our condition is not just one, but 2 or more statements. So, to start off, our first condition is to check if our score is greater than or equals to 70, and if it is, we print A. Else if is used when there's more than one condition. So for short form is elif, followed by the condition which is if score is greater than or equals to 60, we print B. Else if score is greater than or equals to 55, for example, we print C. Else, if none of the above conditions are true, this line runs, which prints D. So when we run this code, when we enter a score of, let's say, 61, it should return B because it is not greater than or equal to 70, but it is greater than or equal to 60. So it returns B. And if it's, let's say, 54, it returns D because none of this is true. Therefore, it prints the last line, which is D. So that's conditional statements. Thank you.